solve. The question says I should solve for x. And when you find a question like this, the first thing for you to do is to make sure that we are not finding anything at the back of log. We can see that there's nothing in the back of this log, nothing here, but we can find 2 here. All right, so now this 2 here, leave this position here, go back to what, to the index form. All right, this here leaves here to what, to the power. So we are going to what, change that. So given that, we are going to be having what, log x to power what, to power 2 base what, a, minus log what, x minus 1 to base what, a, equal to, we have what, log x plus 3 to base what, to base a. Now that's the first thing. All right, so now the second thing to do here is to what, transform this place. We should what, change the position. Now we are going to be following a log rule that says when we have log, let's say log a to base b minus log, let's say log c to base b. All right, the same base. So now this can be written as log a over c to base b. Do you see what happens here? A and c will divide what, each other here, but when we have plus here, it becomes what, multiplication. A will times what, b. So now that's how what it works. Now from this part here, we can see what, minus here. Right, so we are going to change this what, to division sign, like this form here. We're going to transform into this form here. So now this here what, change this position, becomes what, log, this becomes what, log a, log base a, and we have what, a big bracket here. We have what, x squared over what, x minus 1, then close the bracket, equal to what, log what, a base a into bracket what, x plus 3. All right, this part here. So now we change this part here to this one. I hope you are getting that. So now from this part here, we can now say log a here. Right, so log a now can what, cancel each other. We are leaving what, x squared over what, over x minus 1 equal to what, x plus 3. We can support this with over 1. You know, when 1 is dividing a number, nothing is changing. Right, so now from here we can now what, cross multiply this times this times what, this. Now x squared times 1 is what, x squared, equal to, now this times this, that means x minus 1 times what, x plus 3. So that's what we are talking about. So now from this part here, what do? We open the brackets here. We have what, x squared. Now x times this, minus 1 times this, minus times this. You get that? X times this, you give us what, x squared, and x times what, plus 3. That's what, plus 3x. Now minus 1 times x is what, minus x. I hope you are getting that. Minus 1 times plus 3 is what, minus 3. So now from this part here, we are almost done. We can add this together. We can what, subtract this 3x minus 1 here. Now from this part here, we can see x squared here, x squared can cancel out x squared. All right, we are left with what, 0 here. There's nothing again here. We are left with what, 0 equal to, now what is there, 3x minus what, minus x. What is 3x minus x? That's what, 2x. We have 2x what, minus 3. All right, so now we continue. We want to solve for x, so we can actually take this 3 here to the other side. Minus 3 going to the other side becomes what, plus 3. All right, equal to what, equal to 2x. Then from this part, what do we do next? We divide both sides by what, by 2. This over 2, this also what, over what, over 2. Now 2 what, take care of 2 here. We are left with what, x equal to what, 3 over what, over 2. So the answer is what, 3 over 2.